Welcome to this module on preventive detention. What is preventive detention? Ordinarily, when a person would be arrested after he or she has reportedly committed some crime or some offense, then we take that kind of people into preventive detention custody. What is this preventive detention? Preventive detention means you take someone into custody in order to prevent something which is happening unconstitutionally, which can be a disturbance in the law and order. Sometimes a person can be arrested simply out of a apprehension, a doubt that he or she is likely to get engaged in an unlawful activity and imprisoned for some time without following the above mentioned procedure according to Article 21. What all rights are there to be explained, the reason, to discuss with the lawyer, to submit him to the court. These clauses will not be applicable for this particular preventive detention. The preventive detention means we have a doubt on an individual who has been reportedly committed some offense or some amount of crime, then we take that person into custody without following the procedures which are given in Article 21. It means that if government feels person can be a threat to the law and order, then to the peace and security of the nation, it can detain or arrest that person. This preventive detention can be extended only for 3 months. After the 3 months, such a case is brought before an advisory board for review. So, what is a preventive detention? When we have a doubt on an individual that is going to do some amount of crime or some amount of activity which is going to create a disturbance in the society, especially to the law and order, then the government can take that person into custody feeling that he is a threat to the law and order and peace and security of the nation. It can detain them. The maximum preventive detention can be extended up to 3 months of time, and after that you have to take him to the advisory board for reviewing whether we have to keep him under the detention or not. Preventive detention is looking like an effective tool in the hands of the government to deal with the anti-social elements or subversives. It is an effective tool to arrest and keep the things under control which we feel are going to affect the nature. But this provision of arresting the individuals has been often misused by the governments many a times. Many people think that there must be a greater safeguards in this law so that it may not be misused against the people for reasons other than that which are really justified, because it is the complete discretion of the government to use this provision and arrest the people. So there has to be a clear specification on what grounds they can use the PD, preventive detentions. Otherwise, they can use it for anyone, and that can lead to misuse of this particular provision by the government. So in fact, this has to be clear tension between the right to life and personal liberty, the provision for preventive detention. So we learned in this module the preventive detention in preventive detention, we can arrest any individual who is under suspicion or doubt or the apprehension by whom? By the government. Then they will take the person into custody in order to prevent the loss or damage. Now, this custody can be maximum extended for 3 months, and after 3 months, you need to report it to the advisory board for reviewing it. So, here, Article 21 rights will not be applicable. The reason for arrest, lawyer or court, these clauses will not be applicable when it comes to preventive detention, because here we, as the name suggests, preventive detention means in order to prevent something, we are detaining a person. That's why these are not applicable here. But there has to be a clear ground that has to be mentioned when we can use the PD. Otherwise, it can be misused by the governments. There are clear details about on what grounds we can arrest. It has to be checked in such a way that it is not misused by the governments who are in power. That's all we have in this module. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.